Good day, Mameman, and I am Rick Nalapita from BSChem 35, and this is my video presentation in CFLM2, and this is my work, collage leadership style. And my first example of leadership style is team leadership. And the example picture is the Temptation. It's the popular group of singer. The team leadership is the practice of guiding a group toward a shared objective by providing direction, fostering motivation, and ensuring effective collaboration. A team leader inspires and coordinates team members, delegates tasks, monitors progress, and builds a cohesive environment to achieve common goals and organizational success. Effectives, team leaders focus on both successful completion of tasks and the positive productive relationship within the team. And the leadership style is the have a good relationship in the group and successful communication and to achieve a goal and to effective group. And my second leadership style is the coaching leadership. And my example picture is Jackie Chan teaching the kid in Arnis. Coaching leadership is a management style where leaders focus on developing their employees' skills and potential by providing guidance, supports, and constructive feedback rather than simply giving commands. This approach emphasizes empowerment, building trust, fostering self-awareness, and aligning personal goals with team objectives to create a supportive environment for growth and improve performance. Key characteristics include active listening, asking powerful question to uncover solution, providing continuous feedback, and acting a mentor to encourage individual developing. And the coaching leadership style is the detailed teaching one by one to improve the skills of followers. And the last, charismatic leadership. And my example picture is the Senator Bong Revilla. Charismatic leadership is a style where leaders inspires and motivate followers through their personal magnetism, compelling vision, and strong communication skills, often forging a deep emotional connection with their team. These leaders are known for their self-confidence, optimism, and self-determination to drive change, rallying followers to a cause of greater than themselves. Through this intense loyalty can pose risk if the leaders departs. And the charismatic leadership. Charismatic leadership is a leadership style use of recently, example, Senator Bong Revilla. Before running the senator, use the recently work or platforms to gain a vote